Top 3 Window Cleaning Robots: Ecovacs, Winbot W2 Omni, Hobot 2S, and Gladwell Gecko. Hello everyone! Welcome back to Epic Nest, where we bring you the best reviews and comparisons to help you make smarter purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of window cleaning robots, those nifty devices that take the hassle out of cleaning your glass windows, mirrors, and even shower doors. Our focus today will be on the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni Portable Window Cleaning Robot and two of its top competitors, the Hobot 2S Window Cleaning Robot and the Gladwell Gecko Robot Window Cleaner. We'll look at their features, pros, cons, and figure out which one might be best for your needs. Let's get started with our #1 pick, the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni. The Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni is the latest offering in the window cleaning robot lineup from Ecovacs, a company known for its high-quality robotic cleaning solutions. This model is specifically designed for portable and versatile window cleaning, making it a great choice for homes with many windows of varying sizes. Pros: Smart Omni Station. One of the standout features of the W2 Omni is its Omni Station, which functions as a cleaning station and storage dock. It automatically cleans the robot's cleaning pads and dries them after use, truly hands-free maintenance. Powerful suction for vertical surfaces. With its advanced suction technology, the W2 Omni can stick securely to vertical glass surfaces, including frameless glass, mirrors, and even textured windows. Dual Spray System. It comes with a dual water spray system that helps loosen dirt and debris while cleaning, leaving glass surfaces streak-free. Voice Assistant Compatibility. The device works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it with voice commands or via the Ecovacs Home app. Safety features. Includes a robust anti-fall mechanism and tethering system, ensuring the robot stays securely attached to windows while cleaning. Cons. High price tag. The Winbot W2 Omni is priced on the premium end, making it a bit out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. Bulkier design. Compared to some other window cleaning robots, it's slightly larger and may not be ideal for very small or hard-to-reach windows. Only suitable for smooth glass. Like most window cleaning robots, it struggles with curved or extremely uneven glass surfaces. Verdict: if you're looking for a top-tier window cleaning robot with excellent features and minimal maintenance effort, the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who don't mind spending a bit extra for convenience and high performance. Coming in at #2 is the Hobot 2S Window Cleaning Robot, a strong competitor to the Ecovacs Winbot. Hobot has been a leader in the robotic window cleaning market, and the 2S brings a great combination of functionality, portability, and affordability. Pros: compact and lightweight. The Hobot 2S is much lighter and smaller than many competitors, making it a better choice for smaller windows and tighter spaces. AI-powered navigation. It uses advanced AI algorithms to map out cleaning paths and efficiently clean both frameless and framed windows without missing spots. Dual ultrasonic water sprayers. Similar to the Winbot, it has a dual spray system that ensures streak-free results. It also uses ultrasonic technology to prevent nozzles from clogging. Affordability. The Hobot 2S is priced significantly lower than the Winbot W2 Omni, making it a budget-friendly option for people who want robotic window cleaning without breaking the bank. Versatile cleaning. It's capable of cleaning horizontal, vertical, and inclined surfaces, making it ideal for windows, mirrors, and glass tabletops. Cons. Manual pad. Cleaning. Unlike the Ecovacs W2 Omni, the Hobot 2S does not include a self-cleaning station, meaning you'll need to manually wash the cleaning pads after use. Weaker suction. While it works well on most glass surfaces, its suction power isn't as strong as the Ecovacs Winbot, which may make it less reliable on larger or thicker windows. No Smart Assistant integration. The Hobot 2S lacks voice control or integration with smart home systems, which might be a drawback for tech enthusiasts. Verdict: the Hobot 2S is a solid, budget-friendly choice for smaller households or anyone looking for a simple and portable window cleaning robot. It doesn't offer all the bells and whistles of the Winbot W2 Omni, but it gets the job done efficiently at a much lower price. Our third pick is the Gladwell Gecko Robot Window Cleaner, a popular option for those seeking a no-frills, user-friendly solution to keep their windows spotless. Pros: extremely user-friendly. The Gecko robot is known for its intuitive controls and simple setup. You don't need an app or complicated instructions to get started. Just press a button and it's ready to go. Compact design. Its lightweight and compact build make it a good option for smaller windows in hard-to-reach areas. Affordable option. The Gladwell Gecko is one of the most affordable window cleaning robots on the market, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Quiet operation. Unlike some competitors, the Gecko is remarkably quiet, so it won't disturb your household while it's in use. Cons: limited features. The Gecko lacks advanced features like AI-powered navigation or a water spray system, which means it may not clean as efficiently or thoroughly as the Ecovacs or Hobot models. Lower cleaning speed. Compared to the Winbot and Hobot, it takes longer to clean windows, which might be an issue for larger homes with lots of glass. Not ideal for frameless glass. The suction power is sufficient for standard framed windows, but it may not work reliably on frameless or thick double glass windows. Verdict: the Gladwell Gecko robot is best suited for those who want a basic and budget-friendly window cleaning robot without the need for advanced features. It's ideal for smaller windows and occasional use, but it may fall short for users with high expectations or larger homes. So, which window cleaning robot is the best? Let's recap. Ecovacs Winbot W2. Omni, the ultimate choice for anyone who values advanced features, hands-free maintenance, and smart home compatibility. It's the priciest option, but the Omni Station makes it worth the investment for tech lovers and busy homeowners. Hobot 2S, a great mid-range option with excellent AI navigation and versatile cleaning capabilities. It's not as powerful or feature-packed as the Winbot, but it offers great value for its price. Gladwell Gecko, the perfect option for anyone on a tight budget who wants a basic, easy-to-use window cleaning robot. While it lacks advanced features, it's simple, affordable, and gets the job done. Each of these window cleaning robots brings something unique to the table, so your choice will depend on your budget, window cleaning needs, and personal preferences. That's it for today's top 3 comparison. If you found this video helpful, product link in description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. And let us know in the comments which of these window cleaning robots you're planning to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.